Malacanang says it is up to the Commission on Audit to find out if there were irregularities in the COMELEC's intelligence funds. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes says President Aquino himself approved the realignment of some of the poll body's savings to be used as intelligence funds for the 2013 midterm elections. More from Rocky Ignacio.
The Commission on Audit has a mandate to check on how government funds were spent in all state offices. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes stressed this in reaction to the alleged irregularities in the use of intelligence fund in the Commission on Elections. Valtes said the executive has no authority to monitor how the funds are utilized by the Commission.
That would be a job for the Commission on Audit. Kuha na po yan. Remember, pag naibigay na po namin yan, nakapag-comply na po kami doon sa mandatong binigay sa amin ng batas, nandun na po sa ahensya na gastusin kung paano ho nakalatag din sa batas at nandyan po ang Commission on Audit.
February of this year, when the COMELEC requested President Aquino to allow them to use their 2012 savings under the General Appropriations Act as intelligence funds.
Yung intelligence fund po kasi, kailangan ng item po yan dapat sa budget ninyo na inaaprobahan po ng Kongreso. Ngayon, nakalagay po doon sa GAA natin, 10352, yung RA 10352, na kung wala po sa budget nyo, pero meron kayong savings at gusto nyong i-realign, nasa Section 59 po yan, na kailangang i-approve ng Pangulo. And that particular release, yung mula po sa savings nila noong 2012, humingi po sila ng pahintulot sa Pangulo at ibinigay po yun in a memo dated February 20, 2013.
Valtes said the Commission sought the President's approval after justifying that the funds will be allotted in ensuring the credibility of the midterm polls.
Kasi kailangan pong, hindi lang po ito para sa COMELEC, but kung sino hong ahensya yung entitled na humingi ng allocation for CIF o yung tinatawag nating intelligence funds, kailangan po kasing i-justify yan. Kasi nandun din po sa General Appropriations Act yung ibig sabihin at yung dapat gamit ng confidential at ng intelligence funds. So kailangan pong i-justify at ang kanila pong justification is supposed to be utilized for intelligence and counterintelligence activities and gathering of information relative to the activities of certain groups, individuals, and technology experts suspected of conducting overt and covert operations to sabotage the results of the upcoming elections. So, na-justify naman po at binigay.
But Valtes pointed out that it was clear that any government funds should be spent within the bounds provided for by the law.
However, at this point, allow me also to say that once the money is given to them, they are expected to spend it within the metes and bounds that are provided for by the law. You can find that in Section 59 and 60 of the General Appropriations Act of.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.